The 100% installation of a new timing chain and tensioner are just some of the quality added features included on Jasper's remanufactured GM 2.4-liter Ecotec engine. A stretched timing chain or worn-out tensioner can cause several problems. The engine can misfire due to incorrect cam-to-crank timing. The engine can stall or result in a rough running condition. It can also set diagnostic trouble codes, and because the 2.4-liter Ecotec is an interference engine, severe damage can occur if the timing chain jumps. Jasper's remanufacturing process for this engine includes the 100% installation of a new timing chain and tensioner. This ensures proper timing calibration, and it improves the longevity of the engine. New timing chain and tensioner installation on our remanufactured 2.4-liter Ecotec is another way that Jasper provides peace of mind for you and your customer.